Hi there, this is Catherine, and I'm with Report First on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. So, by the way, I'm calling to update people on the cost of funeral expenses that are not covered and leave your family with huge money owing when you pass away. But now the good thing is we have partnered with one of America's largest companies to help people make sure their families are not left with huge funeral expenses when their loved ones pass away. So my job today is to get everyone a free assessment to see what we can do for you. And if you do decide you want to protect your family with this type of coverage, we have special programs for you, and they are less than $1 a day. So I just have a couple of quick questions to make sure we can help you. You are at least 45 years old, right?
Yes.
Alright, so now I don't want any of your personal information. I just need a simple yes or no. Alright, so do you currently have a checking or savings account at a local bank or credit union?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So now, can you please do me a favor and spell your first and last name for me, please?
My first name is spelled R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango. My last name is spelled G as in Golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima.
Alright, so Robert Greenall, is that your name?
Yes.
Oh, wow, you have a wonderful name, Robert. So now, Robert, what state are you currently living in?
Michigan.
Alright, so Michigan. Did I heard it right?
Yes.
Alright, so now, okay, so Robert, I'm going to bring a licensed insurance agent on the line, and they will let me know the plans that you qualify for. So if the specialist asks if you are interested in a free life insurance quote, please say yes and let them give you the free quote, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so you'll hear a little music, but I'll be right on the line with you so that it will just be me connecting you with the agent. Alright, so please stay with me on the line, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for calling Select Quote. This call may be monitored for quality assurance.
Alright, so Robert, this will just take a few minutes, alright? A few seconds, I'm sorry. Alright,
Okay.
okay, so how's the weather out there in Michigan?
Oh, it's cold outside. I know it because my bones hurt. You don't want to get old.
Oh, really? So, have you had a great weekend?
I guess my weekend was okay. I woke up this morning and I read the newspaper and my obituary was not in the newspaper.
Alright, so did you spend your weekend with your family or friends?
Well, I spent it.
Thank you for calling Select Quote Insurance Services. This is Vaughn Washington on a recorded line.
Hi, this is Catherine, and I am with Robert Greenell from the state of Michigan. Can you take the call from here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright, so Mr. Greenell, I'm gonna leave you on the line and have a nice day to both of you.
Okay.
How are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you so much. And so I know you've probably given this information previously, but just to make sure that we have everything correct, can I have your first and last name?
My first name is Robert and my last name is Grinnell.
Renell, okay, thank you. And what is your date of birth?
I was born a poor child, Christmas Day, year of our Lord, 1942. When I was born, the Battle of Stalingrad was raging in Russia, and it was Franklin Roosevelt's third term in office.
Okay. Awesome. And what is your zip code, Mr. Robert?
48126.
48126 in Michigan?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. So once again, my name is Fawn Washington, and I'm a licensed agent in your state of Michigan, and we are on a recorded line. And so, Mr. Robert, how may I help you today?
I heard I can get final expense insurance, so when I die, I'll have enough money to be buried instead of cremated, and I want the tombstone to say, I told you I was sick.
Okay, gotcha. So, do you currently have life insurance now, or would this be your first policy?
This would be my first policy.
Okay. Have you ever owned any life insurance?
No.
Okay. All right. Are you familiar with whole life and how they determine the price of it?
Not really.
Okay. Well, yeah, so so when it comes to life insurance, so the rates are based on a couple of factors. So things like your current age, your gender, and your health, and also the face amount of the policy plays a part in the price of the coverage. And I know that sometimes carriers, what they'll do is they'll advertise really low rates, and then the customer will find out after they buy it that the premiums are graded, meaning that they go up in price after a few years. And here at Select Quote, our policies don't do that. They never go up in price. The face value doesn't reduce or go away altogether, and they don't require a physical exam. Does that sound right to you?
Yes.
Okay, great. So help me understand, Mr. Robert, what has you thinking about some life insurance today?
Well, someone gave me a call, and then I started thinking about it. Until someone called, I was thinking about going out to play bingo today at the senior center.
Okay. Well, I'm so glad that you took the call so that we could talk about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and so who would be the person that would receive the funds from your policy when you pass away?
My nephew.
Okay, your nephew. All right, and so without any life insurance in place, you said you would have to be cremated. Do you know if your nephew has the funds to pay for a cremation or a burial?
No, without extra money, you'll probably throw my body into the Detroit River.
Oh my goodness, no, we can't do that.
Well, I'll get to be with Jimmy Hoffa.
Okay, gotcha. Well, and so you said you prefer a burial. So, an average burial is anywhere between 10 to 15,000. So we'll keep those numbers in mind when we're looking at your policy. Okay, Mr. Robert?
Okay.
Now, have you heard of Select Quote before and what it is that we do?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, well, yeah, so just to tell you a little bit about us, so here at Select Quote, we're one of the nation's oldest and largest shopping agencies for final expense life insurance, and we've been doing business over the phone for over 30 years, and we're completely independent and unbiased. So in my division, what we've done is we've actually partnered with the top A-plus rated insurance carriers, and we have direct access to their underwriting guidelines. So I may be able to provide you with an immediate decision on your coverage eligibility today. And regardless of any health concerns, we can get anyone approved. So instead of you calling multiple insurance carriers, I'm actually able to shop the market for you to find the right policy at the right price. And so just to recap, you said that you're looking for a policy to leave behind to your nephew so that you can be buried and have the tombstone say, I told you I was sick instead of being cremated or being thrown in the river with Jimmy Hoffa, right?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Well, with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into the system and see what's out there for you.
Okay.
Now, as I mentioned earlier, the rates are based on a couple of factors, so like your age, your gender, and your health. So to help me find the lowest rates for you, the system is going to have me ask you just a couple of quick technical questions and a couple of health questions. Sound fair?
Yes.
All right. So in the last 12 months, have you used any tobacco or nicotine products?
Well, I've used crystal meth, crack cocaine, marijuana, Cuban cigars, nicotine cigarettes, and hookahs.
Gotcha. Okay. And should you decide to pursue a policy, some of the carriers require an active bank account to pay premium. They're also the ones who have the lowest price point. So how do you pay your bills?
With a checking account.
Okay. All right. And are you on Medicare?
Yes.
All right. Do you have an email address?
Yes. It's R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, G as in Golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima, @ G as in Golf, M as in Mike, A as in Alpha, I as in India, L as in Lima, dot C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So now just a few health questions for you. Are you unable to work due to a chronic injury or a chronic illness or permanent injury?
No, I don't work because I retarded over 10 years ago and I'm too lazy to go look for a job.
Gotcha. And so do you currently require assistance or supervision with eating, dressing, toileting, transferring from bed to chair, walking, maintaining continence, or bathing?
No, when I go do a number one, sometimes I hit the ball and sometimes not.
Okay. Alright. And what is your current height and weight?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches tall and I weigh 310 pounds.
Thank you. Now, have you ever been diagnosed with or treated for any of the following? Internal cancer,
Well, I've been treated for testicular cancer like Lance Armstrong.
okay, and how long ago was that when you were treated for the cancer?
Oh, a few years ago.
Okay, how many years would you say?
Maybe 3. When you get to be my age, it goes too fast. But when I was working, the days seemed to last forever and ever and ever.
Yes, I understand that completely. What about a heart attack?
Oh, I've had a few heart attacks. The other day I won something at bingo, and then I had to take some nitroglycerin because I got too excited.
Okay. When was your last heart attack?
Oh, probably a couple years ago as well.
Okay. All right. What about congestive heart failure?
Oh, well, I think my heart got a grade of a D from my doctor, but it doesn't have an F.
Okay. What about stroke or TIA?
No, I haven't had those, no.
Diabetes?
No.
Chronic depression or mental disorder?
Officially, no, though I'm known as Crazy Bob at the senior center.
Okay. Alcohol or drug abuse?
Well, it depends how you define abuse. I start my morning with a six-pack, and then I have a six-pack for lunch, and then I have a six-pack for dinner.
Oh, wow. I hope you're eating in between those six packs.
Well, there's lots of barley and oats in my diet.
Okay. Gotcha. So have you ever gone to like a treatment facility for your drinking?
No, I don't have a problem, so there's no reason to treat it.
Right. Okay, gotcha. What about kidney disease?
No.
COPD with oxygen?
I only use oxygen when I'm not smoking.
Okay. So you were prescribed oxygen?
Yes, but when I'm smoking, I don't use it because I might blow up the senior housing by accident.
Right. Okay. Are you receiving dialysis?
No.
Any other conditions, illnesses, or medications that we haven't discussed that we should know about?
No.
Alright. So let's submit that over and see what comes back. Now while I'm waiting on something to pop up from my carriers, what's the best phone number where you can be reached?
The one that you're calling on right now, the 313-334-0106.
Alright, perfect. And so whenever I collect a phone number, I have to play a recording for compliance purposes. At the end, please say yes or no.
Okay.
Before we proceed, I need your permission to use the cell phone and residential phone numbers you give me today to call or to leave you a pre-recorded message about any of our products or services, anytime from and after your inquiry to SelectQuote, for purposes of all federal and state telemarketing and do not call laws. Your permission includes our use of an automated dialing system to initiate our calls and creates a continuing established business relationship. If you give me that permission, you are giving SelectQuote an electronic voice signature that is the same as giving us your written consent. Your consent is not required to buy our products or services. Please say yes if you agree to give SelectQuote your prior express written consent.
Yes.
Alright, thank you. So let's see. Alright, so based on the information that you provided, our best option is going to be to go with a company called Mutual of Omaha Guaranteed Issue. Have you heard of Mutual of Omaha before?
Oh, I think when watching nature documentaries on PBS many years ago, I think it was sponsored by Mutual of Omaha.
Yeah, the show Wild Kingdom on Sunday mornings.
Yeah, it was many, many years ago. I was watching big animals eat little animals. It was like going to a buffet.
Yeah, absolutely. That was sponsored by them. Yeah, and so Mutual of Omaha is actually one of the top companies that we represent. They're A+ superior rated, and they started back in 1909. Now, what I like about Mutual of Omaha's guaranteed issue is that congratulations, you are approved. And so this is how the policy works. So first, you're approved for any accidental death from day one, which also pays double for auto. And then second, because they don't require you to answer any questions about your health, then during the first 2 years of the policy, if you were to pass away due to illness or natural causes, then Mutual of Omaha would return all of the premiums you paid plus 10% interest on top. And then once you make it to year 3, the full face amount will be paid regardless of the manner of death. And third, the policy is in place until age 100 and the price is locked for life. So you're approved for up to $25,000, but what I did is I just got us started at $10,000, but you're not locked in there. So the $10,000 policy to help cover the cost of your funeral at your age of 78 is coming back with a monthly payment of about $136 a month.
Oh,
How does that fit your budget?
Can you offer me a special deal and give it to me for half the price for 67?
I can definitely see about finding you a face amount that will fit in that price range if that's what you're looking for.
Oh, well, it still sounds a little expensive. I'm sorry, I'll have to let you go. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Caroline with Senior Benefits. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm calling to let you know about a new low-cost final expense insurance plan that is designed to cover 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expenses and any other debts or obligations you may leave behind. Just to see if you qualify, may I know what is your age?
78.
Well, great. It seems like you're perfectly qualified for this plan. Let me quickly connect you with my health verification department so they can determine discounts on your health condition. Please stay with me online. I'll be right back within a short moment. Okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello?
Hey, thank you so much for holding on the line. This is Maddie Brown. I'm the assistant specialist. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am doing great. May God bless you more. Well, you were talking to one of my associates regarding final expense insurance plan, and my job is to walk you through the call. I will quickly verify a few things, then I will let you speak with the final expense expert. So may I know how young are you or what's your age?
I'm 78.
78. 78. Perfect. May God bless you more and may you live a long and healthy life. Well, may I know how do you pronounce your first and last name?
My first name is pronounced Robert, and my last name is pronounced Grinnell.
Mr. Robert, if you don't mind, can you please spell your last name?
G is in golf, R is in Romeo, I is in India, N is in November, N is in November, E is in Echo, L is in Lima, L is in Lima.
Grinnell. Okay. Perfect. Well, if you don't mind, can I call you by your first name like Mr. Robert?
Yes, it's okay.
Perfect. Well, Mr. Robert, just to confirm, may I know, do you have any check-ins or savings account with the bank?
I have a checking account.
You have a check-ins account, okay. Okay, well, Mr. Robert, let me know that we will send you some information in black and white like brochures and DVD so you can go through more information. For that, I want to know what your mailing address is.
My mailing address is, let me grab the envelope here. I don't usually mail myself. So my mailing address is 4550 Calhoun Street, Unit 13, Dearborn, Michigan, 48126.
Okay. Well, can you please spell the name of the street? Like Calhoun Street?
Yes, it's spelled C as in Charlie, A as in Alpha, L as in Lima.
Okay. Let me tell you, it's 4550 Calhoun Street, Dearborn, Michigan.
Yes, 48126, and I'm in Unit 13.
Okay, perfect. I got it. Thank you very much for this piece of information, Mr. Robert. Well, Mr. Robert, let me know if you will choose to get any coverage. May I know who will be your beneficiary, like your son, your spouse, your daughter, your brother, sister, or any of your relatives?
It would be my nephew.
Okay, your beneficiary will be your nephew. Okay, no problem. That's a really good decision. Okay, well, Mr. Robert, we are providing information on different coverage plans like $5, $10, $15, and $20,000 coverage plans. Which plan would you like to take more information on, like $5, $10, $15, or $20,000 coverage plan?
I'm thinking about 10,000 so I can be buried instead of cremated, and I want my tombstone to say, I told you I was sick.
Okay. So you are going with the $10,000 coverage plan?
Yes.
Perfect. Well, Mr. Robert, lastly, within the last 5 years, have you had a heart attack, stroke, any type of cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer, dialysis, lung problems, or do you currently reside in any nursing home?
Well, I have chlamydia, I have gonorrhea, I have syphilis, I have herpes, I have HIV, I have testicular cancer, and I have erectile dysfunction.
Okay, no problem. Well, Mr. Robert, let me tell you, I have a licensed agent from the state of Michigan waiting on the other line. Now, please confirm you have at least 10 minutes so you can look at the best options for you.
Yes.
Perfect. Now it's time to let you speak with the licensed specialist. Very good person to talk with, and I will encourage you to ask questions about the discounts, offers, and prices. I'm going to transfer this call with your permission, even if your number is registered on any federal or state do not call registry. Is that okay?
Yes.
Great. First, I will introduce you with my specialist, then I will let you speak with him. So please don't hang up. Let me connect the call, and I will be right back within a short while. Hold on.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Robert,
Yes.
let me tell you, I think all of my final expense experts are busy at the moment. Let me give you a call back later when they will be available, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, my name is Justin with Senior United States Benefits. How are you, sir?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thanks for asking. I'm really so sorry, sir. This is my first time to calling you. Sir, the reason of my call is to let you know of a new low-cost final expense insurance plan that has just been approved in your state. Sir, this life insurance plan is designed to cover 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expenses. So can I ask, how old are you, sir?
I'm 78.
Okay, sir, you are eligible for this. Sir, what is your zip code?
48126.
21816. Sir, can you
No,
repeat again?
48126.
Okay, sir, 48126, sir.
Yes.
Is this correct? 48126.
4. 48126 in Dearborn, Michigan.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, who would be the beneficiary, like your suppose son, daughter, or anyone else?
My nephew.
Okay, sir. Just 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, on which coverage plan would you like to know more about, like $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, or maybe more?
10,000.
Okay, $10,000. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, how you pronounce your first and last name?
My first name is pronounced Robert, and my last name is pronounced Grinnell.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, your first name is Robert and your last name is Grinel. Correct,
Yes.
sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, for discount purpose, do you have any active saving or checking account?
Yes, I have a checking account.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Checking account. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, so that was pretty much information from my side. So I have a senior supervisor right beside me who will further assist you, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, my name is Jake. I'm senior supervisor on the floor. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Fine, thank you for asking, sir. Sir, actually, my colleague told you the purpose of this call. What will I do? I will just verify a few things. Then I will transfer your call to my serial license agent, which is from your local state. Like here you mentioned, your age is 78 years.
I'm sorry you asked me was I age 78. I did not catch.
Your age is 78 years?
No, I'm age 78.
78, okay, got you. And your zip code is 48126, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, got you. And like here you mentioned, your beneficiary will be your nephew?
Yes.
Okay, got you. And like here you mentioned, you are looking for a 10,000 plan.
Yes.
And your good name is Robert Grinnell?
Yes.
Okay, got you. And like, sir, for discount purpose, do you have any active saving or checking account?
I have a checking account.
Okay, got you. So this is pretty good information from my side. So before transferring this call to my license agent, I have your permission to transfer your call despite your number being on any federal, state, or do not call list. Is it okay with you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. First I will introduce you, then you will talk to each other, okay?
Okay.
Stay with me.
All right.
Call is ringing.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Stay with me, sir, okay?
Okay.
By the way, how was the weather here today?
Oh, it's very cold out. My bones hurt. You don't want to get old. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey there, this
Hello?
is Mila. I'm recorded line calling from Senior Product Advisor. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Well, part of my role here is making sure members are educated about their insurance options. That's why I'm calling today to tell you about a new life insurance plan that's been created specifically for seniors. I just have a few quick questions for you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, one moment while I bring up the information. All right, now before I transfer you over to my colleague in senior life insurance, I just have to verify one thing. Are you between the ages of 50 and 80?
Yes.
So how's the weather where you are?
It's cold. My bones hurt.
All right, great. So I'm going to help connect you with the licensed agent. Please hold while I bring one of them on the line. Now, you may hear some system prompts while we try and connect, but give me just one moment.
Okay.
What's your favorite team or even teams?
Hi, hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Angel with Total Care Complete on our recorded line. Is this Robert?
Yes.
Hi, Robert. This is Angel with Total Care Plans on our recorded line. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I understand here you have interest in your insurance options. I just need to ask you a couple questions to see how much you qualify for, okay?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. I see here you're in the state of Michigan, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. And are you between the ages of 50 to 80?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, well, Robert, the good news is it looks like you qualify for up to $25,000 Medicare Advantage, $25,000 to leave to your loved ones. Have you ever been diagnosed with any major health conditions such as cancer, HIV, or chronic heart failure?
Well, I have syphilis, I have gonorrhea, I have herpes, I have HIV, I have testicular cancer, and I have a reptile dysfunction.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, let me see what I can do for you here. Okay, well, the good news is it looks like you also qualify for a safe driver's discount on your auto insurance. But first, I'm confirmed. Have you ever been insured within the last 6 months?
No.
Great. I'm gonna... Oh, wait, you said no, correct?
No, I haven't done anything with insurance for the last 6 months, no.
Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, Robert, it looks like you don't have anything available for you at this time. But if you do need assistance in the future, feel free to call us, okay?
Okay.
I am Larry Yadon, one of the associate attorney. I tried to reach you, but unfortunately we missed your answer. Currently I am the in charge of your proceedings case and the deployment number 003S9. You should reach us within 24 hours for further proceedings. Kindly press 1 so that we can take necessary actions for the proof of satisfactory.
Thank you for your response. We would now like to transfer you to a poll taker for just a few more questions. Please stay on the line.
Hello, this is Sarah from Discover. I am calling in regards to rate expiration. We've been trying to reach you as your eligibility for rate reduction is about to expire. Press 1 for more information, or hang up this call.
Account services, how are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking me. I believe that you are responding to get a rate reduction on your credit card account. Is that right?
Yes.
How many credit cards do you have?
I have one.
And how much you owe collective and how much you owe on your credit card account?
I think I owe 97,000.
Do you have a card with you?
The card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 88 years old.
Okay, so which card do you have to reach this card?
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke Hindu Kush. Just another hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi sir, this is John calling from National Auto here. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. God bless you, sir. Thank you for asking. Well, the reason of my short call is to let you know that the rates in auto insurance have recently dropped by 30%. And I do believe you have a car insurance, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir. Suppose if you were able to offer you something lower than what are you currently paying, would you at least think about it for the future references?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. By the way, sir, what kind of car do you drive? I mean, model, make, year?
I have a 2015 Toyota RAV4.
Toyota, right?
Can you repeat the question? It's a bit noisy.
Toyota Rover, right?
A Toyota RAV4.
Oh, RAV4. Great, sir. So do you have any tickets, any accidents, DUIs or 2020, or 22
Well,
in 2 to 5 years?
Well, earlier this year, the front bumper got a little damaged. I drank a whole bottle of Jim Beam, and then I ran over and killed a prostitute, and the airbag deployed. But luckily, I had a real good lawyer, Saul Goodman, who found a psychologist who said that I was just having a fugue episode, so I was able to plead insanity.
Oh, sad to hear that.
Yeah, I hear the prostitute was very popular with her clients.
Oh, sad to hear that. I think just one accident, right, sir?
Yeah, that's all. The only accident was just running over the prostitute.
Oh. By the way, sir, just for spelling correction, how do you spell your first name?
My first name is spelled Robert, so R is in Romeo, O is in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R is in Romeo, T as in Tango.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir. Mr. Robert Romeo, right?
Well, yeah, so Robert, like Robert De Niro.
Romeo, wow. Great name, sir. And what is your zip code down here, sir?
48126.
48126, right?
Yes,
Thank you so much, sir. And how old are you, sir?
I'm 78.
70. Wow, you are 78 years young.
Yes.
I live long, sir, live long. And the last thing, sir, what's the name of your insurance company, like Geico, AAA?
Allstate.
Allstate, right?
Yes.
Okay, Allstate. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
And sir, now I'll transfer this call to one of our local agents who will provide you goods for your auto insurance. So by submitting your information, you agree to receive communication via live auto dial or pre-carded calls, even if your number is federal or state no call list. He will show you some good options as per unit, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Live long. Please stay online, sir. It's
Okay.
ringing. Here we go, sir. I appreciate your patience, sir. This is Jacob on the recorded line. Look like you are here to compare rates on auto insurance, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And can you please verify me a zip code?
48126.
48126, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And what kind of car do you drive, sir? What's the year, make, and model of your car?
A 2005 Toyota RAV4.
2004 Toyota RAV4, okay. And do you have any DUIs or SR22 or tickets from last 2 years?
Well, last year I had a little incident where I damaged the front bumper. I drank a whole bottle of Jack Beam, and then I ran over a prostitute and killed her. But luckily I had a real good lawyer named Saul Goodman who found a psychologist who said that I was just having a fugue episode, so I was able to plead insanity, so I'm on probation for vehicular homicide.
Okay, and do you have a driving license?
Yes.
Alright, so that's all from my side, sir. I think you're not an interested customer for us. I appreciate your time. Have a nice day. Take care.
You too. Hello?
Hello, this is Karen. Did I get you at a bad time?
No.
Hi, this is Sean from Senioritas. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? And how can I help
I'm
you?
good, sir. You can't help me, sir.
I can't help you? Did you have any type of special
No.
deal?
No.
Oh, usually people call me because they have a special deal. Is this about final expense insurance or Medicare or car insurance?
No.
What's it about?
It's about credit card.
Okay. How can you help? How can I help you with a credit card?
I need your card number.
Oh, well, let me go get it. It's upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get it. You move a bit slow when you're 78 years old. Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is Daniel from Amazon Customer Service. We have seen a recent order number, AMZ0987, of iPhone 11 Pro on your account, which is billed on your card attached to your Amazon account. The amount charged in $1,499. We noticed some suspicious activity on your account, so we have put an hold to this transaction. Please press 1 now. And to report, please press 2. Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow. Mama, papa, wow, wow.
Hello, yeah, I got this call saying I was... Hello? Hello?